Meaning of heteronym.
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 Heteronym. A heteronym is a type of homograph, or word that is spelled the same as another but has a different meaning and pronunciation. The difference between heteronyms is specifically related to their pronunciation, with each word having a unique sound. For example, the word bow can either refer to something tied with ribbon or a gesture of respect, with one pronunciation rhyming with cow and the other with low. Heteronyms can create confusion for English language learners and even native speakers, as they require knowledge of both the spelling and pronunciation of a word to be used correctly in context.